The overall market has pulled back, and Cardano has certainly felt that. Right now, we're currently sitting under 60 cents. We are on a momentum downswing using XT Algo, our trading indicator. If you guys want to know when prices are breaking out or breaking down, you too can become a member with us over at XT Algo. Links are down below. Make sure you use the 21% off discount. But the price of Cardano is kind of what it is, right, on the surface. But there's actually something deeper that we're struggling with that I want to talk about in this video. And it was highlighted recently from a couple analytics platforms that we need in order for ADA's price to consistently start to move higher again. And I think this is just a lull in this type of activity. But I do think it is something to watch because historically, whether it's Cardano or other top cryptos, you need the big players. And right now, Cardano is without big whale transactions. And we're going to talk about what's happening with these by the numbers and give you guys some insight as to what we need in order to see Cardano's price rise again. I think people are chasing, a couple different horses right now, some newer cryptos, and maybe, this just is a rotational thing of capital, and eventually it'll come back over into Cardano, guys. But according to Martinez over on X, who Ali Martinez, good chart enthusiast over there, the dullness in whale activity is signaling an impending price drop for Cardano, and at best, a potentially long-drawn consolidation. So the Cardano whale transaction count is at its lowest level since February 8th. Cardano is experiencing a lull in whale activity, signaling potential for further ADA price consolidation or an impending drop. Now, we have built a really strong position with Cardano down there at 25 cents. So we're still okay here at these levels. It just kind of depends on when you got in. We are starting to tick up a little bit on the last couple days or so, trying to get back up over 60 cents. It wasn't too long ago when we popped up there to about 78 cents, 79 cents, just mid last month. And because this run, it was aided by whales, right? So they were scooping Cardano up. Last time they really came in heavily was down here at like 46, 47 cents, the whales, that is. So we're kind of waiting to kind of see when these whales are going to come back in and help us push up higher. Good thing here is we're still setting some higher lows on this upward trajectory dating back to October 2023 when we bursted out of the 25, 23 cent range. Of course, that was the big momentum up, big opportunity here to scoop up Cardano down here. And we stayed down at 25 cents for a while. We touched down here 24, 25 cents many times throughout the bear market. And when you do zoom out, we are kind of still on an upward trend here for Cardano, just taking a little time. It's a little bit slower than we would like to see, but Cardano kind of did it to us last cycle too, and eventually still made a really nice rally. And overall, I still think we're in a good spot. We're just kind of waiting for the big money to come back into Cardano. So data from crypto analytics platform Into the Block also sheds deeper insights into this trend. The large transaction count comes in with a 12.56 slump in the last 24 hours, with the actual acted ADA worth at least 100,000 coming in at 14.63 billion. This figure may seem big, but it pales in comparison to where we were the 17.52 billion recorded on April 3rd. So we are seeing whales are kind of subsiding right now. Okay. And this isn't the only factor we look at. Of course, the overall market is a big player in all of this. If we do take a look at that, Bitcoin has bounced up over 69K. Nice bounce back here. And Solana's up a little bit. Dogecoin making a push. Cardano is up a couple points here, but still kind of waiting for that big money to come back into the ecosystem, find a floor that the whales like, and help push us up from there. That's kind of what we're waiting for. One of the things we're watching for sure with the price of Cardano here stuck right under 60 cents. Still a top 10 crypto, $21 billion market cap. Still really solid. A lot of people like to spread FUD and fear and talk smack on Cardano. And listen, I get it. People are chasing the faster horses, the newer things, and so am I, but I'm still going to have a strong position in Cardano because of their leadership, because of their community, because of what they have built, because of their DeFi ecosystem. These are all reasons to me why I'm still a heavy investor in Cardano. And in this cycle, I'm looking to profit big on Cardano. It's one of my top holdings. Will it always be like that? Things change for sure. But right now, I have not lost faith in this ecosystem. And I'm looking forward to kind of seeing what's going to happen when some of these main layer one chains get a lot of love and that rotation starts rolling in to those main players. And we'll be in a good spot. But yeah, another thing we're watching for, of course, guys, is whale activity. Where are the whales going to come in and push us up like they did back in here in January, where they pushed us up from 45 cents, took us all the way to the promised land here at 78, 80 cents. We are back down from those levels. It'll be interesting to kind of see what's the next big price point where Cardano whales come in. We are trending right now below the 20-day moving average, which is at 62 cents. It would be nice for us to get above that here and break through that as we enter here into the next week. So we'll be tracking all of that for you guys. Make sure you're locked in, subscribe down below. And of course, XT Algo, as I mentioned, come on over and join us today. Also, if you want to trade with us, guys, there are 3 links down below. CoinW is a new exchange, spot exchange I partnered up with. When you join using my link, the CoinW link, get this, you're going to be entered into a free trading group with some of the best traders, thanks to a big group that I'm partnered up with. It's awesome, totally free. When you use my CoinW link down below, you could join the Telegram group and see what the best traders in the game are doing. Imagine having all of that and XT Algo at your disposal. You're going to be a much more informed investor, and that means more gains. Check out the CoinW link, XT Algo link down below in the description. Appreciate you guys for watching. Let me know your thoughts on Cardano right now. What else do we need as a Cardano investor or somebody that's an enthusiast? What do you want to see more of out of this Cardano ecosystem? Look forward to hearing from you in the comments section below. We'll see you in the next video.